Hi friends, welcome to another shopping haul video. I was having so much fun. My husband gave me some money so I can shop at Walmart because I've been working really hard and stuff. So he's like, go have some money, go spend some money and have a good time. So let me show you guys what I got. All right, so I know you guys, the people that know me pretty good on this channel knows that I am a huge cup hoarder. But I thought this was so cool. Look at this. It's like bumpy and it's just so fun. This was $3.98. If you guys are curious, this is $3.98 and it's huge. Does it say what size it is? Oh, sorry. It's 18 ounces. Sorry, I can't see that. Sorry, my red skin. My eczema is crazy right now. But yeah, this was only $3.98 for an 18-ounce cup. I thought it was really cute. I got some Rust-Oleum metallic spray. I got it in this color oil rubbed bronze, and I think this will be really good for some DIYs. I'm so excited to use this. This was, I believe, like $8 or $7, something like that. But yeah, and it's really cool because I think this spray, like you can spray at any angle and it won't be like, oh, it won't be different or drip or anything like that. So I'm excited to use that. This right here, if you guys remember a previous video from Walmart shopping haul, I got like this size for 50 cents of these. I saw these there and I wish I saw this before because these you get twice as much and for only 75 cents. So I grabbed 2 of them. So 75 cents each and you get 12 cubes of the crisp fall leaves. And I have a subscriber that told me that this one smells exactly like Bath and Body Works leaves. I think it's just the leaves scent candle and it smells amazing, you guys. Absolutely amazing. Definitely pick one of these up if you have some at your Walmart. And then I got these. These were only the smaller size, but a Thankful Harvest. This was 50 cents and it smells so good. This right here is Fall into Autumn and this smells really, really good, you guys. 50 cents. And then I got these 2. They're like black stainless steel large spoons and then a 2-pack set of knives like that. These were on clearance for $1 each, so I just got all of them. So I thought they're really cool and they'd be great for like parties or family get-togethers. They're just really fancy. I have one that's like this, but it's like a rainbowy color. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. Here's my rainbowy one. I love it so much. But yeah, these were only $1 each, so I grabbed all of them. And then I grabbed this just to put on the bottom half of my hair. It's dark brown Revlon. This was only $2.90 something, so under $3. That's what's going to go on the bottom of my hair, or just my below half of my head. And then I got this. I've been wanting to get this for a while. It is the Garnier Fructis new Invisible Dry Shampoo. And I am obsessed with anything that smells like watermelons or bananas. So this is Melon Teeny. So I am so excited to try this. This was under $5 and it is 4.4 ounce spray. So I'm excited to use that because my dry shampoo is running out pretty soon anyway. So, and then I got the smaller, it's like a medium-sized 3-wick candle from the Mainstays brand, which is Walmart's brand, and it's only $3.33 and it's coconut lime, and oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. I cannot wait to have my house smell like that. And then, sorry if I'm like sniffling in the background. I was actually bawling my eyes out on the way home because a family asked me if I could help them get food, and I only had my husband's card, and I felt so horrible that I could not help them. So I've been bawling my eyes out all the way home. Oh, like seriously hardcore bawling too. Like, oh. So I'm sorry if I sound like a little rough right now. And then I got this headband. You guys know I love my leopard print. This was so expensive for this though. So normal price is $9.96 and it was on clearance for $9. Like seriously, but it's one of those things I just had to have. I just had to have it. And then I got this Burt's Bees colored shimmery lip balm in the color caramel. I got this lipstick. This is from L'Oreal. This was $7 something and it's nude. The color is nude and it's like a champagne brownie color, champagne nude color. It's really pretty. So I don't think it's gonna make me look washed out or anything like that. I was kind of worried it might, but then it's on my hand right here. This is what it looks like. Ooh, if you guys can see that. So that's what that is. I'll fix that in a second. And then I had one left of my very favorite concealer in my shade Vanilla. So grabbed it. This was under $10. And then I got these right here. It was 2 left. I saw a person grab, sorry. So I saw someone grab one of them, and I didn't even see these there. And they're like, oh, it's only $3.50. And so they grabbed one. I'm like, oh, girlfriend, I better grab 2. So these are $3.50 each, as you can see here. And they are so cute. They're going to be great for organizing with. Oh, I cannot wait. And I also got this. I forgot. I actually left this on my piano. I got this as well. I got a planner, 2020 planner. I thought this was really pretty. Very beautiful. There's other ones too, but I really liked this one. And there's just this style in here. There's also like this style too, which is nice. So I really like it. I think it's really pretty. You know, it's pretty basic, which is fine because I do well with basic. And yeah, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I got this, and this was just under $10. It was like $9.97, I believe, but comes with 3 bonus months, October 2019 and December 19, 2019. Doesn't matter because it's already past that now, but I just thought it was gorgeous, so I'd like to share that with you guys too. All right, so last but not least, I've been wanting a new broom set, so I got the 3-pack of Lippmann. There's a small broom and a large broom and then a dustpan. So I've been really wanting this just because I use my Dyson a lot for vacuuming in like hard floor areas, but sometimes you need to get stuff to get into the nitty gritty of things. And my broom was so fluffy and frayed. I needed a new one so bad. So they got this. This was, I believe, $13.88. So that is all I got, you guys. And then I got my husband some spray paint for his race car, which was like key lime green. So got him a bunch of those. So I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Stay tuned for more to come, and definitely give me a like, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.